At Dakota Automation, we've spent over 20 years providing premium equipment and automated solutions to the window and door industry. Throughout this time, we have built a library of solutions and industry-specific expertise that enables even our most complex custom equipment to provide immediate gains for our customers' shop floor and bottom line. As a premium solution provider with world-class customer support, Dakota Automation customers know their window and door equipment will work from the initial startup and will continue to perform for years to come. With lineal fabrication systems and custom saws, clamping and assembly equipment, door routers and processing systems, custom automated nailing and assembly systems, and automated component tapers. Built on a foundation of over 20 years of providing premium window and door equipment, each Dakota Automation system is configured to fit our customers' unique environment and project challenges. For robust window and door systems built around you, it's automation with innovation at Dakota Automation.